Hi bestie, you just stumbled upon my magical corner of the internet. My name's Tara Simone and welcome to my YouTube. Here you'll find a bunch of different goodies to help you grow your small business while living a slower, more intentional life. Like simple time-saving hacks, emotional regulation tools to deal with the daily stresses of being an entrepreneur, and some of the lessons I've learned along the way growing my own 5-figure coaching business. And of course, I'll share some of the behind the scenes of what makes my life feel magical, such as gardening, crocheting, journaling, all of the cozy hobbies, as well as bits and pieces of my life with my wife Sasha and dog Nala here in Vermont. Here, we like to keep things real, so it may get a little messy and imperfect, but always with the intention to help you sprinkle a little magic onto your day. So whether you want to grow your soul-led business, live a slower paced life, or just hang out with a fellow Swiftie and Disney adult, make sure to subscribe and also say hi down in the comments so I can welcome you to our cozy little community. And if you'd like to start sprinkling some magic onto your day, I think you should watch this video next.